హలో అండి. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు shikhasfab. అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. మాకు తెలుసు అందరూ ఫెస్టివల్‌కి ఫ్యాన్సీ సారీస్ అండ్ రిచ్ లుక్ అండ్ షైనీ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్ కొనడంలో బిజీగా ఉంటారు. కానీ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అవ్వగానే కంఫర్టబుల్‌గా ఉండే క్లోదింగ్ కావాలి అని ఉంటారు. సో shikhasfab మీకోసం కంఫర్టబుల్‌గా ఉండే మల్మల్ సారీస్ కలెక్షన్ ప్లాన్ చేశారు. ఇవి ప్యూర్ కాటన్, సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ కంఫర్టబుల్, లైట్ వెయిట్, ఈజీ టు డ్రేప్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. సో ఓవరాల్గా ఇది బెస్ట్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఫర్ ఆల్ యూస్, ఫర్ రెగ్యులర్ యూస్, ఫర్ office wear, for everything. So today all these sarees what I am going to show you is the Mulmul Cotton Mulmul Tassel sarees. So the basic all the concept in this saree is these are the tassels we are giving at the end of the saree tassels, and these come with the contrast blouse and printing matching to blouse. We are doing contrast matching, and these are with the soft finish fabric. So the flow will be like this only. You don't need to starch for these sarees. Only wash and iron is enough. So first collection in this, what I am wearing saree is the blouse is this, but we have this kind of ready-made blouse with us at shikhasfab. So you can always take the ready-made and mix and match. So this is the blouse for this black saree. The second saree in this is this olive green saree. In this olive green saree, this is the stripe concept. This is the saree will be like this. Printing is with dark sea green, olive green, very nice combination, very soothing combination, and as well as comfortable also. This is the blouse piece for this saree, which is a very intricate print and pure cotton blouse. The next color in this is navy blue. This is navy blue saree. The print also in this very nice. This is Varli print. See, this is the print saree. This is the pallu, and the blouse for this saree is going to be like this printed blouse. The third color, as I showed you the earlier design, the same second color of this, the saree will be like this. This is the pallu, and if you want more detailing of these sarees, you can visit our website and you can directly purchase from there also. This is the blouse for this saree, and you can take the screenshot of YouTube and send it to us on the number displayed here. Now this is another saree. The saree what I am wearing, this is the another color. This is black. It's a cream color saree. See, the print is very nice in this. We have done a trendy print mixing two colors, and the blouse in this is this ikat blouse, which is giving it a very good look. See, this is the saree pallu. Saree will be, whole saree will be with the booty, this geometrical booty. And now this is one more color. I showed you one blue color saree in this. This is the second color of this methi yellow saree, and printing with maroon and blue. The blouse in this is going to be this very intricate printed cotton blouse and with the Varli motifs. The next saree, a very soft color, soft fabric, soft color, and soft color combination. See, such a nice print on this. We have taken this Varli buta, this geometrical. The pallu also is very nice with the elephant blocks. Saree edge comes with these tassels, and the blouse again is very nice. This is the blouse. In the same color, we have one more combination. Same design, we have one more combination. This is again little bluish olive green. The print with Varli motif, geometrical. Blouse. This is the pallu with elephant, and the blouse in this we have given a checks blouse, which is also very good. See, this is handloom blouse with this intricate ikat weave. So for these sarees, even the blouses are a very nice highlight for these blouses, and once we wear it with these kind of contrast blouse, these give a very elegant and designer look to these sarees. Again, now another design is like this. This is again with some geometrical motif, and we have taken a very nice bird motif, geometrical plus bird, which is in self. See, the border is also very nice. This geometrical motifs we have taken. And again the blouse is ikat blouse in this, dark brown ikat blouse. For this design same we have one more color. So this is again the same design, this a nice bird print with a geometrical combination. This is the border, and blouse for this is peach color, and the tassels are peach color. So all these designs, every design has two colors in this. You can visit our website or our store, which is located at Kodapur Raghavendra Colony, Hyderabad. So you can visit both of us the store, or you can buy online or YouTube, and the number is displayed here and address also. Please do visit Shikhasfab. Thank you.